I be so sick of you niggas, y'all contradicting. I be so bold myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, said when you around me. Treat me like water while you wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about you.
Guys, would you believe that I decided to start watching back Blacklist? And oh my god, I couldn't even hold back the indecent language out of my mouth. Cause what? What? Oh my god. Oh my god. That's all I can say. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another vlog. It's your girl Yanieki. A long time I not said that, but I'm at Hope Garden. I'm here for another picnic, and I brought you guys along with me today. I'm going to show you guys my fit in a while. It's just a bodysuit and pants, jeans pants. I'm going to show you the pants. You've seen it before, but I'm not showing it again because why not? So yeah guys, the theme for today is supposed to be either yellow or purple. So hence why I'm in this color. Yeah. I'm just waiting for Yan to come and set up. My ear bees for some reason like must sit down, I lie down under one bees nest or something, but may I hear them very much so yeah so. People all more ask Yanieki is when we ever do her in a life because I don't know who would tell her say me an artist to give me this for draw like what? Guys, the artists are ready to start painting. I'll be an artist the right saying I don't know where to start from, you know.
Push it up, Vanessa. Vanessa, push it up.
Oh, this I can tell oh, yeah, more. And over here, so man.
But they are upset, y'all make it a burn me.
Yeah, I'm telling them be careful. Wait, man, I burn you?
The lights are hot now. Put it in the vlog so them two are going right here, so. Wanna come put them together? Yeah, come put them together.
My wonder, oh, you know, sad.
You were just not supposed to like.
Yeah, I have a next one.
Okay.
Wait, oh no, wait. Oh, we are set first. You ready, Javon?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go.
Don't bring it, don't remove it, just keep it. Just look like we're not just pushing the same way. Smile, we smile. Have fun as girls. I want someone to look. Take it out, Jesus, please. Too bright. Oh God, hold on. Jesus.
Hey guys, so I am back home. It is 11. Let me clear my screen first. It is 11:22 p.m. at night. I just bed. I must decide to go open what I got from the picnic today. Well, probably I got hear most of the fun because I'm hot. I'm a can't bother to turn it off. Because I'm going to sweat even harder. I'm just done there. Anyways, I got a fan. That would have fun here pool. Okay. So I got this fan. Yeah. Hello, don't bother my show. I get one caramel, like the lollipop them. I eat it when me not have to cheese, so I'm gonna have it for sure. I got 2 gold gel crystal collagen powder eye mask. Them here. You don't kill me if I don't pronounce the word properly, because me and Oxford never sit down together and make them up. I also got, it's a business card, so I can scan the code. And I got a makeup remover, Neutrogena makeup remover wipes. This little cute though. Yeah, it's not really focused. But when I get the points, the lady come out with the skincare, then the facial care, eye care. And I think I got another lollipop as well. I'm not see it in the bag, so I guess it drop out. But that's what I got. I'm about to watch some reading time before I go to bed. So I'm going to watch Blacklist. And Blacklist have me accustomed to them, like, I'm not going to see the clips when they are telling me what I'm going. But yeah, that's the motive. I am about to watch Blacklist until I shut my eyes for bed. So yeah, I'll catch you guys up in another day in the vlog. Talk right there, so because I'm not going to see me. Friend, me nearly dropped.
You drop on the...
Restaurant in a Spanish town, no pussy. Oh, on a flyer time, I work near. Why are they?
Guys, she met me late. And she walk very slow and she don't even know where she go. Come on. And rotten teeth money can have no sense. See, I don't this too. Rotten teeth, girl.
Yeah. No. Yeah, kind of. I saw my soulmate looking a little different than that.
So guys, we're gonna leave the movie now and go. Hey guys, welcome to another in the vlog. So we're at the beach, we're just chilling. That's Mix over there, that's Nifa. Taking Mix photo. You know, the man massage your foot bottom. The man said put up your foot right there, so we'll massage your foot.